guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very exciting video. Wait till I push my chair up because I feel like I'm way down. Feel a little bit better now. Right, so today is a very exciting video, guys. Sorry that I haven't really been putting up chatty videos or anything. Wait till I sort this light. Everything's just like not working today. Anyway, sorry that I haven't been putting up chatty videos. I actually caught a cold from my amazing little daughters, and unfortunately I was run down with it as well, so if I sound a bit nasally, that's why. This week in particular has been a really good week because I've been trying to get so much done and like uploaded, edited and stuff like onto YouTube and stuff, as well as being really choked with the cold. So yes, just excuse the appearance, I'm still feeling ill. We have some brand new makeup. You guys know I had to jump on the hype with the Stacey Midi Carnival Palette. Now, I never actually got the first launch or the second launch. I was actually just about to get the second one when I heard she was releasing a third one. So I put that on hold and I had to get the third one. I can't quite remember. I ordered this at the beginning of the week, but it's here now. So I am super excited. So we have this massive big black box. Also, I have Morphe brushes coming, and they're actually due to be delivered around about 4 and 6 o'clock today. So if I don't include them in this haul, I'll do a whole separate video. I did also place a little Peaches haul. They were actually doing like a special 2-for-1 sort of sale, and I just jumped on that as well, guys. Done a Peaches haul, I think it was a couple of months ago. I'll leave it linked above here for you guys if you do want to go and check it out. But yeah, I have actually been purchasing some Peaches stuff, and I'm absolutely over the moon with their stuff right now. I'm obsessed, especially the brushes. Like, if you do not own Peaches brushes, you have to. Like, I got even more because I needed more. So I'm just going to delve into this box. I've just put everything in the box because it makes it easier. First off, I'm just going to get into the main attraction, the Stacey Midi Carnival Palette. This is the new Stacey Midi Carnival 3 palette. I have not opened this yet, but I am just about to. I've not been this excited about a makeup launch or like a palette launch in a while. So I am super buzzing for this. So yeah, it came really nicely packaged. This was the second launch, I think, from this palette. And I never managed to catch the first launch. Everything just sold so quickly. So I'm just going to unravel it just now because it came really well packaged. Oh, and not one of them are broke. Wow. Like, this palette just makes you want to do makeup. Like, this palette just makes you want to be creative. Like, honestly, guys, you need this in your life. Woo! Look at that. You'd also get a big massive mirror here too, but wow. And the mirror is just absolutely gorgeous. Like, I don't know, but some mirrors and palettes can be like quite warpy. Like, they make you look quite weird, but this is really nice. Cannot wait to play with that. Like, if you guys have been watching my recent looks, I've been trying to kind of voice over them a little bit so that you guys like can understand what I'm doing when I'm doing my makeup looks. So I'm trying to like be a little bit more informative when I'm doing my makeup looks. I'm just going to keep that out of the bubble. So yeah, I'm trying to be a wee bit more informative when I'm doing like my makeup looks and stuff. And recently, like a lot, I've been using the Mitchell palette and the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2. I've been finding myself kind of navigating just to certain palettes at the moment, and this is a palette I think I'm just not going to put down. Like, this is phenomenal and I'm buzzing to play with. Now on to the Peaches part of the video. As I said, they were actually doing like a 2-for-1 happy hour on their Instagram. If you do not follow them, go ahead and follow them, guys. The Peaches girls are amazing. They're so nice. Their products are phenomenal. Like, hands down, they are superb. I'm just going to show you guys what I picked up here. I've got my little invoice here. Woo, I ordered quite a lot of stuff. But then it was like 2-for-1, so yep, ordered a lot. I'm just going to tell you guys everything that I picked up. So first off, I'm just going to go in with these lashes. I ordered 2 pair of these because I haven't actually tried any lashes from Peaches, and they were originally, these are $4.99 each, and wait, no they're not. Number 31 was £4.99. Number 30 was £4.95, which are these. So these are number 31. Stunning, stunning, stunning lashes. And these are number 30. A wee bit more natural, but still quite a lot of volume in them. Next things I picked up were 2 lip glosses. I picked up, now the other lip gloss is in my kit and I can't quite remember the name of it, but it is another sort of colour similar to these ones. But I did actually pick up one of their lip glosses before and I am absolutely in love. I love it. I've also got one of their lip liners. As you guys know, I use it all the time. And this one is in the shade Praline and I use them all the time, so I had to get more, didn't I? I just had to. So I picked up the shade Cherub, which is this sort of peachy pink nude. And I'm just going to do a little swatch for you guys. I love these lip glosses. They're pigmented, but they're not too pigmented. But they're not like pure sticky either. The only thing that I would change about these is the little applicators, because I feel like these are quite old. I don't know, just my opinion, but I do really like the lip gloss. So that is the shade Cherub. And I picked up the shades Tease. So this one is actually a smidge darker. Not much of a difference, but actually between these two. So that is the shade Tease. Tease is the top one. Not much difference in them actually. And to go with them, I did pick up 2 more lip liners because I am obsessed with these lip liners. They are so creamy, so smooth. They're really, really pigmented as well. This one is in the shade Borderline and this one is in the shade Punchline. And these actually cost £3.95 each, so they are super, super affordable. They're amazing. If you haven't tried them, you have to try them. The thing that I picked up was actually the Peaches and Cream glitter base. I have been recently using the NYX glitter base and the collection one recently, but they're both running out. After you guys know me, I use a lot of glitter, especially in like my Halloween looks and stuff. I've been using like a lot of glitter, so I'm having to stock up on like glitter bases and stuff. So I picked up the Peaches one just to see what it was like. So this costs £5.95 and it's just a clear glitter that you put the pigments and glitter and stuff on with as well. So I just picked that up to try it. Next thing that I picked up was actually the Peaches translucent setting powder. This is just a universal setting powder, so it's just white. I thought I would pick this up. I did actually have the Peaches bronzer as well, but I found it was just a bit too warm for me. I actually gave that away, but I have picked up the Peaches, the translucent setting powder. I feel like this one will probably be so much better just for like under the eyes or like setting the face and stuff. So this was £6.50. Now I'm just going to go into the new brushes that I picked up. I did pick up a bunch of brushes a couple of months ago and honestly they are my favourite brushes. I use them constantly. Like I need the full range because these are honestly phenomenal. They're so affordable as well and they clean really, really nice. They've got really, really good longevity to them. So far, I've had my other brushes for a good couple of months now and honestly, I'm obsessed with them. I am obsessed. I had to pick up more when they were doing the 2 for 1. So I thought I would pick up some ones that I didn't have yet just to try. And I wanted like some more sort of detail-y brushes. Because my favourite brush for like small like detail and like fluffing out is like the PC47. And it's really, really good for like just like blending out small areas. It's fantastic. So I purchased the PC34, which is a domed crease brush. Looks like that. PC31, which is a small detail brush. Again, this one's like quite flat, but it's still quite dense. It's really good for like detail work. Again, these are all kind of smaller brushes. Picked up a PC07, which is a pencil brush. And also picked up a PC38, which is a fluffier pencil brush. You can see that, it's quite fluffy. PC20, which is a flat eyeshadow brush, so I thought that would be really good for like packing on shadow and for like the pigments and stuff. A PC33, which is a micro pencil brush, so again just a really small detail brush. PC14, which is a smudger brush. I thought that would be really good for like buffing out like liners and stuff. So I picked up a PC22, which is the tapered mini blender brush. And again, it's just kind of small, petite, just kind of fluffy. And then I also picked up a PC04, which is a large face brush. So it just looks like that. That'd be good for either like powder or like foundation or something. I have actually been loving the Peaches foundation brush, which is PC19. As you guys can see, I use that for foundation. It's fantastic. Then lastly, I picked up a couple more of the pigments. Like, it's not a Peaches haul if you don't pick up any pigments. Actually, I never told you the prices of the brushes. I'll leave it all in the description, but they basically range from like £5 to like £4, just for like the smaller ones. But a lot of them, as I said, it was in a 2-for-1, so a lot of these basically came free. Picked up for the pigments, and the pigments are £6.95 each. So the first pigment that I picked up is Gatsby, and I'm saying it like that because this is like, look at that box, it's just so cute. Like, this is like a staple, like this is one of the best sellers, to be fair. So that is what it looks like. Stunning, 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 kind of silvery gold, really nice. Bollywood, look at that packaging, how stunning is that, so cute. And this again is like a really light yellow gold. I wanted to pick up colours that would complement like sort of natural, sort of gold or bronzy makeup looks, because that's what a lot of people ask for. Then I picked up the shade Pool Party. This is the shade Pool Party. It's like a bluey, kind of greeny kind of shade. Really nice. I also picked up the shade Cactus. I don't know why I picked this shade up actually. Like, I had like a look in mind with all the other ones, but I don't really know why I picked this one up. But this is just like a really nice green shade. Stunning, to be fair. But it is more like a dark green. So I'm going to put them in my wee drawer that I've got with all my Peaches pigments in it. I don't own a lot, but really, to be honest, I'm only collecting the ones that I really want. I'm not buying obsessively. Yeah, that is all for this little Peaches haul. And I am super obsessed. I'm quite obsessed, more than it's kind of going along the same route as when I was obsessed with Revolution. Yeah, it's that kind of obsession. But I'm not as obsessed with Revolution anymore, because I just feel like a lot of their stuff's very similar now. A lot of the stuff I don't need, and I know that. So I am getting into the habit of just purchasing things that I do need or that I do want, and not buying rubbish all the time. So yeah, that is my little collection that's coming along. But yeah, that is for this little haul. Hope you guys liked it. I am super excited to get dug into all this stuff, especially my Carnival palette, because I'm just like bursting with creativity, and I just need, it's like I need that inspiration of like a new palette to like say use me and use all my fun colours. Like I'm just needing that. I'm needing something different. I'm needing something something that really brings me inspiration again, where I can look at it and go, wow, this is what I want to do with this. Like, I've been really needing that, and with this Stacey Midi palette, that is what I think of when I see that palette. I just think fun, colourful, crazy, like, yeah. So you're probably going to see some crazy full eye makeup looks from me very soon. I'm also trying to film a few more autumn looks. I filmed my first one yesterday, so that should be going up on Friday. So you should see that as well. I do have some Morphe brushes coming, and I've never used Morphe brushes before. Like, I feel ashamed to even say that on YouTube, to be fair, because like, everybody uses Morphe, but I don't know, I just didn't see the hype. Like, hopefully I'm going to like them, but right now I'm peaches obsessed, like, honestly. If you guys did like this, please do not forget to subscribe, it really does help me out. Like, follow, all the usual jazz, and I'll see you guys in my next video.